wearing Yoka's one and he's wearing Takiro's one. Mommy's wearing Nezuko's and Leo's wearing Zenitsu's.
Let's go!
Insert pictures. Mommy, you should insert pictures of the pancakes.
Yeah. Let's eat! So, Lara, you sit here. Rob, where do you want to sit? I'm going to sit there beside you. You want to sit there?
No.
Okay, so you can sit here, or here. Yeah. Sure. Ay, na-picture na naman tayo naman.
Yay!
Hello, this is so nice. Don't be afraid to try things.
That one is spicy.
Hmm.
Is that the... I think it's wasabi, right? The pink one, right? I mean ginger.
Ginger.
Don't mistake it for tuna. We didn't have tuna, so tuna.
Yeah.
Or sashimi.
I can't even tell the difference.
Very different. That's salmon. The other one is tuna. Just take one of these. So that we can share. I'll just...
Wait now, I need to video. How's your food?
It's delicious. The sushi or this is wasabi inside.
Yeah, so look good.
Wow, gatong sukarag daghan. How's your Japanese food, baby Layla Reese? Hey, hey. How's your Japanese food?
Yummy!
Very good. Ise. How's your Japanese food? Wishy. Speechless na sa si Ikor. Like last time. But
What's inside there?
it's like, yeah, sweet rice. Sticky rice.
The orange one is nice.
Mm-hmm.
The one that's right next to it, yeah, that you take.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, go bro.
I can't find the Wi-Fi network. You might need to check the modem or router connections.
My phone didn't connect really.
Once you try this.
Gonna restart that.
Ano na yung coke or Coke or Sprite?
Sprite.
No, we don't have milk tea.
I told you, di mo na order milk tea.
Later. 誕生日おめでとうございます。
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Happy birthday, Lara.
Thank you.
Make a wish.
Yay! Presents. And then
Dear Lara, wishing you a very happy 14th birthday. We will be thinking about you and hope you have a great day. Lots of love. Yay.
we're running actually did something.
Oh really?
Yes. Well, obviously not car, but
But you wrote it.
yes.
So you do have the same handwriting, kind of?
Not good. Writing cursive.
Oh wait, what's this?
Figure it out.
Are they pictures?
And then?
How does it fit? Okay, one size. Cheers. Mommy's wearing the new dress that I bought for her.
You just noticed? I noticed this morning.
All this time.
It looks a lot like a dress that you used to own. But it looks very nice.
Okay, sit here, please, and
Yes.
lift up your leg thingy.
Charot. I'm ready for my foot massage. Oh,
Okay.
it's not my bed.
Let's
Ha 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 ha.
If
Oh,
I
my
massage, I can
birthday
watch
is
TV.
like.
Technically, it's your birthday because you gave birth to me today. But
Oh,
anyway,
so you're volunteering
I'm
for
not-
all
I'm
the
not- I'm not.
pain.
I'm
You're
not.
volunteering. That's very nice of you.
okay.
Is it actually running?
Oh my gosh.
Is it on? Is it on?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it on?
I didn't order yet because I'm not hungry. Is anyone?
No, not yet. Wait, what happens to the sound?
It's silent.
Why?
Oh.
しかし、鬼殺隊を誰が率いているのかは謎に包まれていた。
人には勝てなかった。半年経つまでは。その日、俺が伊崎さんがすぐ医者を呼んで見せてくれたけど、
Ay!
異常
Change
なくて
costume. Hello, baby. Come here.
眠り続けるのはおか
Come
しい。
here. You need to sit here, baby.
Robert Tug. He knows the
山
what
国に
time
はもっ
it
と
is.
険しく、
Wow. Good job. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. Come na.
Sit.
Please. Come on, we're gonna watch
じゃないと何度も
something that you understand. I hope it's not in wide angle. What is it?
What's that?
Happy birthday, Lara. Happy birthday, Lara. Happy birthday,
Tell me
Lara.
something.
Happy birthday, Lara. Birthday, Lara. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lara. Today is your 14th birthday, and I wish you the best. You have always been a very good friend to me, and I just want to say I'm very grateful to have you, and you mean a lot to me. Enjoy your birthday. Stay missy. I'm so lucky to have you. I love you so much. We're already 14. It's kind of old and chill. But anyways, happy birthday. I hope we get to hang out soon, and yeah, have a great day. Bye. Happy birthday, bro. And I hope you stay as you are, like never change. I love you, personality, like bro. I know, like you enjoy your birthday.
Wow, you're getting old. And also, I'm forced to do this video, so you're lucky.
An amazing birthday. I'm so glad to meet you. You're just the most happiest, the most cheerful person I know, and you know how to make people happy. And that's something I really love about you. And I hope you have an amazing and a wonderful life. And yeah, I also miss you. Happy birthday, Lara. I hope you have a nice birthday despite it being quarantine. And always stay safe. Thanks for being such a good friend, and I'm always happy to be with you like every single time. Thank you for being part of my life, and I hope you enjoy your birthday. Stay safe, and yeah. Seriously, they put me. Yay!
Yay!
Hey.
Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Oh, so that's what she meant. Did Mario make this?
She sent it. I'm not sure if she made it. It looked like Venice made it. Sorry, Venice. I'm
It's-
sorry.
It's between Marielle and Vince.
Or maybe Vinny's edited it.
Yeah, because she said, I'm sorry for the blurry video. That's what she said.
Oh no, I think it's the message, but the video might have been edited by Marielle.
You
She
can.
sent it.
Yeah, oh, that's what she said by surprise.
Yes.
Surprise.
小学できるかどうか
Yes.
I wanted to reaction thing.
Oh, what?
Yeah. I hope you were looking good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Costume stand sa relax sa ilaw. Kung ka costume. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lara.
Look,
Blow the candle.
Blow the candle, blow the candle. Blow. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! Clap your hands.
Happy birthday.
last. Di ba sasasiyan na may video?
This is a Stegosaurus.
So yeah, mommy, look how much this is.
Why?
It's not much to food.
It's hard to make them.
You think about it. You're not eating a lot.
It's all rice. It's all rice. Huh?
Sorry.
So what if you think about it also,
Sorry, baby, what do you want?
the Japanese have the lowest
You ask Google.
obesity rate.
Okay,
in the
Google.
world.
Okay, Google. What's the sound of the lion?
Which one? You want the carrots or the...
Uh-oh. Okay, Google. What's the sound of the dinosaur?
Some type of fish.
Dolphin. Okay, Google. What's the sound of the dolphin?
This is a dolphin.
Shark. Okay, ask Google. Okay, Google. What about the shark?
This is a shark.
What do you want? Okay.
Wow, balloon. Okay, you give me a balloon. Okay, balloon battle.